What's going on, guys? So yeah, got the new windscreen, and we got a Fender Eliminator delete. I took a little, I'll do a little transition real quick. But yeah, these screws are plastic, so I guess I did this one too tight and it kind of snapped, but I'll have to get a new one. Fuck it. And yeah, this thing looks clean. Sheesh. Hopefully I don't get pulled over for that, but you know, I'll show you what it looks like with the turn signals. I'll turn it on too for you guys. Not a cold start, but the right one. Oh yeah, love it. And then with the new windscreen, oh, it looks mint, baby. Yes, sir. All right, let's get on the road. Just gonna, you know, go for a little cruise. This windscreen looks so sick, though. I liked how I was a little, you know, a little dip in it. But yeah, you know, I'm not going left. Screw that. What's up, shorty? Did you see that, dude? He was like, yes, sir. Dude, I love when people do that shit. It's so funny. Yeah, it's a nice ass day out today. The season's supposed to be ending soon, like a month or so. Like, I'm depressed. Like in a month and a half, the season's gonna be ending. So sad. But you know, I got some videos saved up, and you guys will be getting some more 400 videos because I have those saved up too. But yeah, I want to keep you all updated. Sheesh, it's windy. What was I saying? I don't even remember, I forgot. Shit. And I appreciate the support, like, hell yeah, baby. Hyped, let's go. Like, we're officially halfway to 1K. We're actually over. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep grinding, baby. Appreciate the love from all you guys. Oh shit, it's green. Shee! Little bump. But yeah, hell yeah, baby. Road to 1K. Let's go. Let's go! I'm so hyped. I'm just glad that I can, you know, get out every day, ride, make videos. Shit's fun. And hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. Hop up out of here. I'm just here for a good time, baby. But yeah, this screw here, freaking, I was screwing it in. I didn't even think it was that tight, and it just snapped. It's like, what the? So I'll just have to like order a new screw. You guys will have to let me know. I haven't gotten pulled over yet with this Fender Eliminator. I don't know if I will. But if you guys have any Fender Eliminators like this, let me know if you guys have gotten pulled over for it. I want to know. Drag knee real quick. Damn, it is windy though. I'm gonna cap. Should I take her into some little twisties? I think we got to. If we're riding the R6, you gotta take her into twisties, right? Hey, you know what I don't get, you guys? Why the hell do people have to come into, like, I don't, not even just my comments on YouTube, just like just other people like commenting on people's, I mean, obviously you're gonna get haters, but like, just why, dude? There's just no point. It's so stupid. Like, if you don't like anything, or like, I don't know, just fucking don't say anything. Oh, slow. Oh shit, I almost crashed. That would have been bad. But yeah, you know what I mean? Just like, if you don't have anything good to say, just don't say it. Like, I'm here. Like, I'm riding to have a good time, you know? Let's screw them, screw the haters. Alright. Look both ways, and we Gucci. Oh, see, I love those signs, baby. This thing feels so good in twisties though. I mean, obviously it's an R6. And to be honest, it's not even like uncomfortable for me anymore. Like, I'm honestly used to the riding position. Like, I don't even know. I just love my baby. Hey, I need a name for her too. You got, put in the comments, what do you guys want me to name her? Or maybe it's even a boy, I don't even know. If it's a girl, it's a pretty beast girl, you hear me? Who's gone? But yeah, happy to be riding this weekend. It's nice out. Can't really complain. So yeah, I've been doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'll tell you guys, like, you know, I had a shit day or something, but I actually just switched gyms today. Screw the Y. So we got them gains. Ride safe, bro. You better have gotten them gains today, baby. I don't care if it's your off day. Get your ass in the gym. No, I'm just kidding. You need to take that off day. Oh yes, here's a tunnel. Here's a tunnel, baby. So fun, dude. Am I even recording? Ah, I am. That would have been bad if I was not recording. Honestly, GoPro's done that before. It's kind of annoying, like where it doesn't record and I miss like a whole video. Like, bro. Let's go. We got twisties up here. I guess I'll go through them for you guys. Love me some twisties.
out, squirrel. I noticed when I've got my sport bike, I don't know if it's like I don't know if it's like placebo or like what, but I feel like Harley riders do not, like, a lot of them don't do that now. Like, bro, I'm on 2 wheels, I respect you, you respect me. Need to get a quick shifter on this. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. This thing's so fun in the corners. Yeah, I just wanted to get out on here, get a little video, a little cruise for you guys. Tony got the new windscreen. Hey girl! Hey girl! Oh, I think I know her, to be honest. Hey shawty! Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. What you looking at, girl? Honestly, I don't even feel really any wind in my face with this windshield anymore though. Especially when I do like full tug. Give you guys a little walk around of it real quick, and then yeah. Oh yeah, come on baby. But yeah, what should I name her, him? I don't even know. Put it in the comments below, let me know. Let's give it one last look. Oh yeah. Or the lights have to be on, you know. Just gotta do it. Oh my gosh. And should I take the mirrors off? I don't know if I should take the mirrors off or not.
I need radiator guide. Sheesh. The back of it. Hear me? Oh, yeah. I'm hard. Okay. That's enough. But yeah. I need a name for her. Hope you guys like the little cruise of the, with the new windscreen and the Fender Eliminator, but, you know, I'll catch you guys on another one. Thanks for all the love and support. But yeah, over and out.